National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County in north-central Ohio, northeastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Oak Harbor to 7 miles southwest of Port Clinton to near Fremont, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Fremont, Port Clinton, Kelly's Island, Put-in Bay, Clyde, Oak Harbor, Northern Milan, Castalia, Ballville, Catawba Island, Marblehead, Berlin Heights, Bayview, Bloomingville, Sandusky South, Fairview Lanes, White's Landing, Vickery, and Stony Prairie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.